In this video, we're taking you on a drive from Cobbold Gorge to Forsayth. We've visited Cobbold Gorge many times over the years, and honestly, the road seems to be getting better every time. We put this video together because we often meet travellers a bit unsure about the drive. We've done it in an SUV, a dual cab, and even while towing a caravan. Sure, there are a few rough patches, but trust me, the destination is more than worth it. Before we head off, just a quick heads up, we're not actually driving at 2,500 kilometers an hour. We sped up the video between points of interest to keep it to around 8 minutes. In real time, the drive takes about an hour if you take it easy and enjoy the scenery. We often visit the area in early April, and some of the seasonal streams are still flowing. I'd imagine after a few more weeks, most of them will completely dry up. As you're driving through working cattle stations, you'll see plenty of cows on the road. There are no fences out here, so make sure you take care and drive with caution. We're heading left here to Forsayth, but if you take a right turn here, you can head out to Uncut Creek. It's a great spot if you're defosseking or exploring the Outback. Bit of mud anyone? Just slow down and pick your path. It's all part of the adventure out here. Don't see much traffic out here, but when you do, make sure you give a wave. It's the Outback way of saying hello. This is the biggest gully or stream crossing on the drive. Aside from a few larger gravel sections, it's not very deep. I always just take my time going through. I'm not going to comment on every crossing, but this one's only a few centimeters deep. Nothing to worry about. Sometimes you hit a little rough patch. If I were towing my caravan, this is definitely where I'd be slowing down. You'll come across a few broken up bitumen gullies, nothing too scary, but I wouldn't power through these, just take it steady. This has to be my favourite crossing. Not sure if the council ran out of small gravel and had to upgrade to bigger rocks, but other than that, it's pretty easy. Woot woot, Seal Road. Slowly but surely we're seeing more of this every year. The scenery out here is spectacular. We just love hanging out in the Outback. That's it. Turn left to Georgetown or turn right to Forsayth. Make sure you stop in at the Goldfields Hotel for lunch or grab yourself a cold eat. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, just pop them in the comments below.